Good morning. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. It's Pam again, and I'm back. Welcome to Pam's Vlog Vibes. So today I was thinking to myself, I got a taste for some baked chicken. We're going to add some onions to it. We're going to add some cilantro to it. We're going to add some seasoning to it, a little rice, and some vegetables. And I was thinking, I haven't picked you guys up, showed you what I've been cooking lately, so let's go in the kitchen today. Let's check it out. So I went into my deep freezer and I did take out some chicken legs. I have cleaned them, washed them, and they are ready to be seasoned and ready to go. Cook some rice. As you can see, the steam, it is still piping hot. Then I did add some mixed vegetables. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the chicken to finish up and it's a done deal. I'm all done. I've cooked my dinner for tonight. I had a taste for some chicken with a couple of vegetables. I did add some onions. I added some tomatoes. And I did put a little guacamole salsa. That's just my taste. That's what I like. So I did do that. But let me show you what it's looking like. Let's check it out. I got the baked chicken with some onions. I did add some tomatoes and it is nice and juicy. I did add some cilantro to it. So yes, I did put some salsa with guacamole on it, but that's just to my liking. I did cook some broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower mix to add to it. And then this is the rice. I love some cilantro, so I added some cilantro to my rice and some butter. And this is what's for dinner. I'm going to eat on this about 2 days. Yes, I am. And it looks delicious. So yes, guys, I am going to end the video tonight so I can start on my dinner. I want to get into it while it is still hot. If you're new here, I'm Pam and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and join the Fab Family Vibe over here on Pam's Vlog channel. So to the next video, bye.